In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an upsell offer in Gumroad if you want to increase the value of each sale. Adding an upsell is a great way to do it. An upsell lets you present customers with an additional product offer during the checkout experience, which can help boost revenue while also giving buyers something relevant they may actually want. To get started, head into your Gumroad dashboard and look at the menu on the left side. From there, click on Checkout. This is where Gumroad keeps the settings related to the customer purchasing flow, including discounts and upsell options. Once you're in the checkout section, click on Upsells. This opens the area where you can manage existing upsell offers or create a new one from scratch. Now click on New Upsell. This will bring up the setup form where you can define exactly how your offer will appear and which products it will be connected to. First, enter the name of your upsell offer. This is mainly for your own organization, so choose a name that makes it easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple offers. Next, enter the offer text that customers will see. This should be clear and direct, since it acts as the main message of the offer. Keep it simple, so buyers instantly understand what is being presented to them. After that, enter the offer description. This is where you explain the value of the upsell and highlight the benefits. A good description helps customers understand why the extra product is worth adding, so make sure the wording is specific and easy to read. Once the text is in place, click the Apply to these products drop-down menu. Here, you'll choose which product or products should trigger this upsell during checkout. From that list, click the product where you want to add the upsell offer. In other words, select the item a customer is already purchasing before they see the additional offer. Next, click the Product to Offer drop-down menu. This is where you choose the actual item that will be shown as the upsell. Then select the product you want to offer as an upsell. Ideally, this should be something closely related to the original purchase, so the offer feels natural and useful to the customer. Finally, click Save. Once you do that, your upsell offer will be created and attached to the product you selected. And that's it. You've successfully set up an upsell offer in Gumroad. After saving, it's a good idea to review your setup carefully to make sure the offer text, description, and product pairing all look right. A clear, relevant upsell can make a big difference in your checkout performance.